everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. आज हम लोग जो डिस्कस करेंगे वो इंग्लिश की क्लास डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि वोकैबुलरी की क्लास है। ये आपका क्लास नंबर जो है इंग्लिश का वो आपका क्लास नंबर 3 है। ऑलरेडी हमने क्लास 2 जो है इंग्लिश के वो हम कर चुके हैं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अगर आप हमारे चैनल फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो या अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो सो दैट हम जो भी वीडियोस डालें वो आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंचे। एंड सेकेंडली, अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ हमारे वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करो सो दैट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग के पास भी पहुँचे, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इसका यूटिलाइजेशन भी कर सकें। अगर क्लास 2 की हम बात करते हैं तो क्लास 2 में लास्ट वर्ड जो हमने सीखे थे वो 93 वर्ड हम ऑलरेडी सीख चुके हैं। Now today we'll discuss from 94th topic that you can say that from starting with 94th word. So 93 वर्ड कोई कम नहीं होते हैं। अगर आपके वोकैबुलरी कम है और आपको इतना नहीं अच्छे से पता है तो आई थिंक 93 वर्ड्स जो हैं अब ऑलरेडी आपके बहुत ज़्यादा है एज़ कम्पेयर टू यूज़ दैट इन योर सेंटेंसेज एंड एज कम्पेयर टू यूज़ वर्ड्स इन योर कम्युनिकेशन. So I think that is important. So please like, share and subscribe our channel. Now we'll move on with the word that is 94, and the word is accomplice. Accomplice, this word is used when this word is used as noun. Okay, the meaning of accomplice is a person who helps another commit a crime. एक पर्सन जो कि एक्चुअली दूसरे क्राइम, जो दूसरा बंदा काम कर रहा है, क्राइम कर रहा है, तो उसको हेल्प करने के लिए कोई भी अगर हु हेल्प अनदर कमिट अ क्राइम, कोई दूसरे को क्राइम करने के साथ दे रहा है उसका, जिसे हम कहते हैं सह अपराधी। एक अपराधी के साथ उसका साथ देना वो भी सह अपराधी है, वो भी सेम है। तो वी कैन यूज द वर्ड अकम्प्लिस। लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक पर्सन है जो कि चोरी कर रहा है, ओके, तो दूसरा उसकी हेल्प कर रहा है उसी में, तो ऑफकोर्स ये जो होगा वो अकम्प्लिस होगा। नेक्स्ट वर्ड दैट वी हैव योर 95th वर्ड हियर, एंड द वर्ड इज concoct. Concoct, this word is used when this word is used as verb. Concoct means create or devise a strong a plan, स्टोरी और अ प्लान। तो कुछ चीज़ क्रिएट करना, कोई डिवाइस को क्रिएट करना, चाहे वो आपका एक स्टोरी हो प्लान का, ओके, जिसे हम कहते हैं हिंदी में मनगढ़ंत कुछ भी बनाना। तो उसके लिए हम कहते हैं कि जो वर्ड हम इंग्लिश में यूज़ कर सकते हैं जो कि न्यू वर्ड है, दैट इज़ कंकॉक्ट. Next one that we have your 96th word, that is arbitrary. Arbitrary is the word that is used as adjective here. So where arbitrary is used based on random choice or personal whim. Basically हम लोग जो arbitrary word यूज़ करते हैं वो अपने खुद के personal random choice पे बोलते हैं, जिसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं एक पक्षी है, वो वन साइडेड होता है, हमारा खुद का पर्सनल चॉइस होता है, नॉट कि किसी ने कहा और तब हम कर रहे हैं वो चीज़। तो देन वी डोंट यूज़ दिस. But when it is based on the random choice or the personal whim, एक पक्ष है, so then we use the word arbitrary. Next word that we have your 97th word, and the word is mortality. Mortality is the word when it is used as noun. Mortality means the state of being subject to death. मृत्यु संख्या। तो बेसिकली जब हम डेथ के सब्जेक्ट पे बात करते हैं, वो एक ऐसी स्टेट जब हम mortality वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं, that is used as noun. Next one that we have your 98th word, that is resilience. Resilience जो है when it is used as noun, then resilience means the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties. बेसिकली जो कैपेसिटी होती है रिकवर करने के लिए जल्दी डिफ़िकल्टियों से, या फिर ये कह सकते हो टफनेस से, जो कैपेबिलिटी होती है रिकवर करने की, देन वी यूज़ द वर्ड रेजिलेंस, एंड जिसे हम कहते हैं लचीलापन. Okay, next lachilta. Next one that we have here, that is 99th, and that is commendable. Commendable word है जो ज़्यादातर mostly use किया जाता है word that is used as adjective, and the commendable meaning is deserving praise and mirable. So basically when it is mirable, when it is deserving praise, then we use the word commendable, and in Hindi we can say that sarahani. Next one that we have your word 100 word, and that is coincide. Coincide is a word when it is used as verb. The meaning of coincide is occur at the same time, एक टाइम पे ही occur करना, या कह सकते हैं आप मेल खाना. Then we use the word coincide. Next one that we have a 101 word, that is infiltrate. Infiltrate, this word is used as verb. Infiltrate meaning penetrate, invade, and that in Hindi we can say that it means infiltrate means goes bad. Next one that we have a 102 here, that is your egregious. Egregious is word that is used as adjective and it stands for outstanding, bad, outstandingly bad और shocking. कोई चीज़ ऐसी जो बहुत ज़्यादा bad हो या shocking हो, जिसे हम प्रबल कहते हैं हिंदी में, then we use the word egregious. Next one that we have your 103 word, and that is rampant. Rampant word is used as adjective and the meaning of rampant is uncontrolled, unchecked. जो भी कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, जो हम बिना चेक किए आगे बढ़ जाते हैं, that it means, and इसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं rampant means is अनियंत्रित. Next question, next word that we have is your 104 in English vocabulary, that you have to enhance your vocabulary and you can able to speak in English in a fluent manner, that we are giving you the words here for your improving your vocabulary, and this is your 103. We had completed the century approx. Now moving on with the next one, this is your 104th word here, word that we have here 104, that is suppliantly. Suppliantly, this word is used as adjective and the meaning of suppliantly is that asking humbly and earnestly. Next word that is your 105 word, that is calamitously. Calamitously is word that is used as adverb and the meaning of calamitously is in a scornful way that shows a disdain, and that is tiraskar purvak. When it is the meaning of tiraskar purvak, you can use the word calamitously. Next word that we have your 106 here, that is adjudicate. Adjudicate is the word that is used as verb and the meaning of adjudicate is make a formal judgment on a disputed matters. Disputed matters में एक formal judgment लेना और उसे हम adjudicate बोलते हैं. And in Hindi you can say that adjudicate means निर्णय करना. Next one that we have a 107 here. 107 word is reprieve. Reprieve is used as a verb and reprieve meaning is cancel or postpone the punishment of someone. कोई किसी को punishment दे दी गई है and then उसको फिर cancel कर देना या फिर postpone कर देना कि अभी नहीं होगी, बाद में हो सकती है तो किसी की, तो उससे हम तब यूज़ करते हैं reprieve word. Reprieve is that when it is used as verb. Next one that we have a 108 word, that is ethnicity. Ethnicity word used as noun and the meaning of ethnicity is the fact or state of belonging to a social group. ऐसा कोई fact या कोई ऐसा state जो कि आपका social group से belong करता है, then we use the word ethnicity there. Next word that we have a 109th word, that is affinity. Affinity word that when it is used as noun, affinity stands for a natural liking for an understanding of someone or something. एक natural liking हो, चाहे वो किसी चीज़ के लिए हो, चाहे वो किसी person के लिए हो या किसी चीज़ के things के लिए हो, then we use the word affinity as noun. It means a natural liking for an understanding of someone or something. Next one that we have a 110 word, that is persuade. Persuade when it is used as verb, then the meaning of persuade is induce someone to do something through reasoning or agreement. So persuade, whether it is talking about the verb, so induce someone to something through the reasoning or agreement. राज़ी करना किसी चीज़ के लिए, चाहे आप कुछ reason के through उसको राज़ी कर रहे हो, चाहे किसी agreement के through राज़ी कर रहे हो, that means is your persuade. Persuade, you can use this word. Next one that we have a 111. The meaning of the word is evaluate. Evaluate when it is used as verb. Evaluate means form an idea of the amount, number of values of assets. So basically they have form an idea for that particular amount or the number or the values, that we can say that evaluate. हिंदी में उसका मतलब होता है मूल्यांकन करना. Next, moving on with the next word that we have, your 112 here. 112th word here, that is reckless. Reckless, when it is used as adjective, the reckless meaning is rash, careless, थॉटलेस. रैश केयरलेस हो, चाहे वो आपका थॉटलेस हो, लापरवाह जिसे कहते हैं हिंदी में, रेकलेस वर्ड यू कैन यूज फॉर दोज पीपल दैट दे आर लापरवाह. Next one that we have, a 113 word, battered. Battered is a word when it is used as adjective. Then the battered meaning is injured by repeated blows and punishments. जो injured हो आपका कोई repeated blows के through या फिर punishments के through, तब हम battered word use करते हैं. Next word is your 114 word. That word is shrill. Shrill, when it is used as adjective, the shrill meaning is of a voice or a sound, high pitch, piercing. Piercing हो high pitch की, तो तब आप shrill word use करते हो, जिसे हम कहते हैं कोलाहमय. Next word, that is your word is 115. Forefront. Forefront, when forefront is used as noun, then it means that the leading or the most important position or place. Forefront means जब आप कोई बहुत ही important position या बहुत ही important place को lead कर रहे हो, जिसे कहते हैं सबसे आगे. Next one, that is your 116, and the word is hotly. Hotly, when it is used as adverb, then the meaning of hotly is in an passionate, intense or angry way. जब hotly we are using the word, जब आप एक passionate way में हो या फिर intense हो या फिर आप कह सकते हो angry way में हो, तब हम we use the word hotly here. Next one is the word is 117, that is manifest. Manifesto. When manifesto word is used as noun, the meaning of the manifesto is a public declaration of policy and aims, especially the issued before an election by a political party or a candidate. जिसे हम कहते हैं हिंदी में मैनिफेस्टो मीन्स घोषणा पत्र. घोषणा पत्र जो होता है वो आपका एक पब्लिक डिक्लेरेशन पॉलिसी है, या फिर आप एक का एम है आपका, जो कि आप इलेक्शन से पहले इशू करते हो, या जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी होते हैं वो इशू करते हैं बाय पॉलिटिकल पार्टी एंड फॉर देयर कैंडिडेट्स. तो घोषणा पत्र होता है वो आपका, दैट यू कैन से एट मैनिफेस्टो. Next word that we have is the 118 word, that is foeticide. Foeticide is used as noun, and foeticide meaning is destruction or abortion of a fetus. Destruction or abortion of a fetus matlab, like when some lady is going to be pregnant and the fetus is maintaining, then you can use when you are disturbing or destruction or take as abortion, then you can use the word foeticide. Next word is your 119. Next is your contraceptive. Contraceptive, this word is used as noun. Contraceptive is a device or a drug serving to pregnancy. So basically contraceptive is a device or a drug that they are serving to the prevent pregnancy, that is Garbh Nirodhak. Next one is your 120th word, that is formidable. Formidable, this word is used as adjective, and the word meaning is inspiring fear or respect through impressive, large, powerful, intention, capable. That is wicked, formidable. Next one that we have, your 121st word here. 121 word, that is ethos. Ethos, when it is used as noun, ethos meaning is the characteristics, spirit of culture, era or community. Basically ethos is the meaning, जब आप कोई एक culture के बारे में, एक era के बारे में, community के बारे में, उसकी characteristic spirits को जानते हो, then we are using the word ethos. And in Hindi you can say that it means is Stanley means by prakriti. Next one is your 122th word, that is mutate. Mutate is the word that is used as a verb, and the meaning of mutate is change in form or nature. जो आपका change होता है form में या फिर nature में, उसे हम mutate बोलते हैं, जिसे कहते हैं रूप बदलना. Next one that we have your 123 word, and the word is explicitly. Explicitly, this is the word that is used as adverb in a clear and detailed manner. जब explicitly word हम तब use करते हैं जब एक कोई clear या detailed manner में हम किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, explicitly word use करते हैं. 124 word that we have here is your Progeny. Progeny, this is the word that is used as noun, and this meaning is are descendants or the descendants. Descendant or descendants जो है वो आपका मीनिंग है progeny का. Next word that we have a 125th word, that is devaluation. Devaluation word that is used as noun, and the devaluation meaning is the reduction or the under estimations of the worth of importance in something. Devaluation means that is अवमूल्यन. तो बेसिकली कोई रिडक्शन होता है या फिर आप कोई चीज़ को अंडर एस्टिमेट करते हो, उसकी वर्थ को, उसकी कॉस्ट को या उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस को, तब हम उसे अवमूल्य बोलते हैं. एंड द वर्ड वी आर यूजिंग इज डिवैल्यूएशन. Next word is your lax, that is 126th word. Lax is a word that is used as adjective, and the meaning of lax is not sufficiently strict, ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट नहीं है, सिवियर और केयरफुल, बेपरवाह जिसे हम कहते हैं. सफिशेंटली स्ट्रिक्ट भी नहीं है और केयरफुल भी नहीं है, दैट इज़ बेपरवाह. वी यूज एज अ वर्ड इज लैक्स. Next word that we have a 127 word, that is your proliferation. Proliferation जो होता है word, ये आपका noun है. Rapid increase in the number of amount of something. Basically rapid increase कुछ हो रहा है, number of amount में किसी चीज़ में increase हो रहा है, then we used as your proliferation, and the meaning is प्रसार. Next one, that is your question. Next word that we have 128, lumpen. Lumpen is a word that is used as adjective, and the meaning of lumpen is uninterested in revolutionary advancement. Next one that we have a 129 word, that is obsess. Obsess is a word that is used as verb, and the meaning of obsess is be constantly taking or worrying about something. Constantly आप worry कर रहे हो किसी चीज़ के बारे में, जिसे कहते हैं जुनून सवार होना. Then we will use the word obsess there. Now moving on with the next one, that we have your 130th word here. Now we are going to have a 138 word, that is the meaning of 130 word is lynching. Lynching is a word that is used as verb, and the meaning of lynching is of a group of people that kill someone for an alleged offense without a legal trial. Then we are using the word lynching. The 131 word is your secular. Secular is a word that is used as adjective, and that meaning is not connected with religious or spiritual matters. Secular is the meaning of not connecting with religious or the spiritual matters, that the dharm nirpeksh. Next word that we have a 132 with, that is contemporary. Contemporary word is used as adjective, and the contemporary word meaning is that living or occurring at the same time. लिव करे या फिर एक अकर करे एक सेम टाइम पे, जिसे हम कहते हैं समकालीन. Next word that we have your 139 word, that 133 word, that is perpetrator. Perpetrator, that word is signified as noun, and the meaning of perpetrator is a person who carries out a harmful, illegal or immoral act. बेसिकली perpetrator एक person जो कि कैरी करता है एक harmful या illegal या immoral act को, जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं अपराधी. Then we use the word perpetrator. Next word, that is your word number 134 here, that is infiltrate. Infiltrate, the word used as verb, and the meaning is penetrate, involve, goes back. Next one is your 135, that is egregious, that is used as adjective, and the meaning is outstandingly bad or shocking, that in Hindi that is प्रबल. Next word is your 136 word, that is rampant, that is used as adjective, and the meaning is uncontrolled, unchecked, that is uniyantrit. Next word that we have your 137 word, that is coinage. Coinage word is used as noun, and the meaning of coinage is the invention of new words or phrases coined collectively. आप coinage का मतलब होता है कोई invent करना, कोई new words, कोई new phrase को coin collectively, like that. Then we use the word coinage. Next word is your 138 word, that is portray. Portray is the word that is used as verb, and the meaning of portray is to describe someone or something in a particular way. किसी को या किसी चीज़ को describe करना आपका portray का मतलब होता है. Moving on with the next one that we have here. So the next word is 139 word here, that is exaggerated. Exaggerated, this is used as adjective and the meaning is regarded or represented as larger, better and worse than in reality. बेसिकली इट इज़ रिगार्डेड जो आपको जो कोई चीज़ रिप्रेजेंट करते हो एक लार्जर बेटर वे में, या फिर आप कह सकते हो कि वर्स देन इन रियलिटी. सो दैट इन दैट केस वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड एग्जैगरेटेड. This is the next word, that is 140th word, that is inextricably. Extricably is used as adverb in a way that is impossible to disentangle and or separate. एक तरह से जो कि impossible हो अलग करना, जिसे हम कहते हैं अलंघनीय, then you can use the word inextricably. But next word that we have a 141 word here, the word is deviate, and the deviate which is used as verb, and the meaning of deviate is depart from an established course. Depart करना कोई established course से, जिसे हम कहते हैं हटना. Next, so we have your word 142 here, that is the word is pamper. Pamper meaning is this is used as verb, and the pamper meaning is indulged with every attention, comfort and kindness. जो कि indulge हो हर एक attention पे, comfort पे, kindness पे. Pamper, that means संतुष्ट करना. Next one is your 143 word, that is benevolence. Benevolence is a word that is used as noun, and the quality of being well-meaning, काइंडनेस, जो कि एक क्वालिटी है आपकी वेल बीइंग की, वेल मीनिंग की, जो कि काइंडनेस को आपकी शो करता है, एंड दैट इन हिंदी दैट मीन इज परोपकार. Next one is your 144th word, that is outreach, and outreach is used as noun. The meaning of outreach is the extent or a length reaching out, बढ़ जाना जिसे कहते हैं, then we use the word outreach there. Now moving on to the next word, that we have a 145 word, that is rhetoric. Rhetoric is a word that is used as noun, and the meaning of rhetoric is the art of effective and persuasive speaking or writing expression. Basically this is the rhetoric, that is expression, that in that case we said that bhashar kala, the art of effecting and persuading speaking or writing. Next word that we have a 146 word here, the 146th word, that is appeasement. Appeasement is used as noun, and the meaning of appeasement here is satisfaction, gratify. Satisfaction and gratify, that means santusht karna, and the meaning the word is appeasement here. Now moving on to the next word that we have a 147 word here. 147th word, that is adolescent. Adolescent, that is used as adjective, and the meaning of adolescent is of a young person in a process of developing from a child into an adult. When a child is developing his or her body with respect to becoming an adult, then we are using the word adolescent, and the meaning is kishore avastha. Next one, that is your word number 148, and the meaning word is sterilization. Sterilization, that is used as noun. Sterilization meaning is surgery to make a person or animal unable to produce offspring, and that is जीवाणु नाशन. So basically sterilization is वो एक surgery जब a person या animal produce offspring नहीं कर पाया, that is जीवाणु नाशन, then we use the word sterilization. Next one is your word, that is 149, that is a stigma. Stigma is used as noun, and the stigma meaning is a mark of disgrace associated with a particular circumstances, quality or a person, that is kalang. Stigma is that disgrace mark that on a particular and any of the circumstances a particular person having, or a quality or a person. Next one is your 150th word, that is your clandestine. Clandestine is used as the word, sorry, elandestine. Elandestine जो है वो आपका adjective की तरह use होता है, and the word meaning is kept secret or done secretively, especially because illicit. कोई भी चीज़ ऐसा secretly करना, then we use the word elandestine, and that is अवैध. Next one, that is your 150th word, that is adultery. Adultery is a word that is used as noun. The meaning of adultery is voluntary sexual intercourse between a married person and a person who is not their spouse. So married person के बीच में volunteer करना, and then of course that they are not spouse, then we use the word adultery. Next word is your 152th word, that is intersection. This is the word that is used as noun, and the meaning of this word is a point at which two or more things intersect, especially a road junction. जहाँ पे दो या दो से ज़्यादा रोड आपके जाके मिलते हैं, intersect मतलब मिलते हैं, तो वहाँ पे वो intersection होता है, especially for the road junction that we are talking about here. Next word that we have your 153 word, that is revoke. Revoke जो word है वो आपका verb की तरह use होता है, and the revoke meaning is officially cancel a decree, decision और a promise. कोई भी officially चीज़ cancel करना, चाहे वो promise हो, चाहे वो आपका decree हो, decision हो, that in Hindi you can say that revoke meaning is रद्द करना. Now moving on with the next question, but before that we will end up this class, because this was all we had cover up here, and class आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video and you can pass on these videos to the another, and you can share those videos. And if you had not yet subscribed our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.